Hello students, here in this session we are going to discuss about how to write a C program for finding whether a year is leap year or not. So we are going to follow the standard procedure to write a code for this, and step by step we are going to see, and I will also show you the online real-time compiler process, that how it's going to run on compiler. So the process is just like include some header files. So studio.h, you already know that it's for printf, scanf, and some other mandatory functions whose library files are stored in this. And stdbull.h, that is boolean header file we have included. I am going to tell you whether we are going to use it. Basically, you can see here we are using the function check year, and its function type is bool. And here one parameter is passed with the variable name year, and its type is integer. Basically, the concept of leap year is that if any year is divisible by 4, it is leap year. But it is not sufficient condition, right? It is not a complete condition. The complete condition is that if your year is divisible by 100, it must be divisible by 400 also. For example, year 2100 is divisible by 100, as well as it is divisible by 4, but it is not a leap year. The condition is that if it is divisible by 100, then it must divisible by 400. Then we can say that it is a leap year, right? So we have write it using if loop, and the condition is just like if year mod 400 equals to 0, return true. Return true means this function is going to be true, correct? This bool is going to return true if it is non-zero. If it is non-zero, bool is going to return true. Now, if year mod 100 equals to 0, we are going to return false, because this condition is already checked. This condition is already checked. If it is already checked, then if it is divisible by 100, then here it is going to be true, because if it is divisible by 100, it must be divisible by 400. In that case, it should be returned true. But if it is divisible by only 100, then it is false. And if year mod 4 equals to 0, it should return true. So it is going to return true only in the case when the mod 4 equals to 0, mod 400 equals to 0. If it is true, then it can't be true, because if it is also true and it is also true, it means that this is also true, right? So I hope you understood. The concept is simple. If it is divisible by 100, it must be divisible by 400. That is the case in the case of leap year. If it is only divisible by 100 and not divisible by 4, it simply means that it is not divisible by 400. In that case, it is not going to be a leap. Okay, so we using the simple concept of if, we have written that. Now the main program, main function is here, and here we have just write the name int year equals to, we have declared it with 2100. Year name is 2100. What we are going to choose here? Here we have used the concept of ternary, right? Ternary condition, ternary. That if this is going to be true, then it should print. If it is going to be false, this is going to be print, right? I hope you know the ternary condition concept. If it is true, when it is true, when this boolean is going to return non-zero value. When it is non-zero, when it is going to return true. If it is going to return false, it is going to be 0. If it is going to be 0, it is false. If it is false, not a leap year. Concept is clear, right? So 2100, it is not divisible by 400, but it is divisible by 100. So if it is divisible by 100, false, it is not divisible by 4. If it is divisible by 4, but not divisible by 100, also divisible by 100, then it is false, because it must be divisible by 400. So let's try to run it so that you can get clear. The function name is leap. Okay. So let me run it. Leap.c. Right. Now you can see here, clearly you can see here executable file, not a leap year. You can simply see that 2100 is not a leap year. What if I change it with 200? Now I have changed the value with 200. Let's check whether the year 2000 is leap year or not. Okay, let me check it. It's leap year. It's leap year. You can simply see, right? So you can put any value. You can put any value and check. Let me put 2022. Let me put 2022 and let me run it. So we can clearly see. That 2022 is not a leap year, right? The condition is followed, right? So I hope the code is in front of you step by step using the concept of Boolean. Its library, its function files are stored in this library files using simple concept of if else and using concept of ternary loops. We have written it beautifully, right? So I hope the concept is very much clear to all of you. Further any kind of query or any kind of confusion or any kind of doubt you are having, just you can put in comment section. Thank you so much.